Sa mga kabataan, sana huwag niyo rin pong sisihin ang mga magulang sa kanilang pagkukulang. Ano po, sabi nga ni Pastor Abel, ang aming senior pastor, hindi natin pwedeng sisihin, hindi po lahat, hindi natin pwedeng sisihin ang ating mga magulang na tayo ay namulat at namuhay ng mahirap. Pero, kasalanan natin na tayo ay magpatuloy at mamatay sa hirap. Okay? Ulitin ko po, hindi natin pwedeng sisihin ang ating mga magulang kung tayo ay namulat sa hirap. Ano po, namulat at namuhay. Pero kasalanan natin kung tayo ay magpatuloy at mamatay sa hirap. Ang totoo po, kami ay tumanaw ng utang na loob sa aming mga magulang at talagang sinikap namin makapagtapos sa pag-aaral para matulungan din sila at maging maayos buhay namin. Naging inspirasyon namin ang kanilang mga sakripisyo at pagtatyaga. Lahat ng hirap ng dinanas namin noong panahon nagsisipag-aral pa lang kami, magkakapatid, hanggang ngayon, sariwa lahat yun sa isipan namin. At alam niyo ba, ang sarap balik-balikan yung mga ganong alaala. Kasi mapapangiti ka na lang talaga at may iyak sa galak. Katulad ko ngayon, every time ay remind natin, maging maningning, nalilimutan natin mapagkukulan ng pansin ang iba pang mga mahalagang bagay sa buhay natin. Katulad ng oras. Oras para magpahinga. Oras para sa pamilya. Hinay-hinay lang. Baka hindi nyo napapansin ang mga tao sa bahay nyo. Okay? Cherish the moments with family, especially your parents. Do we recognize, do we remember our parents? Lagi natin tanawin ang mga magulang. Iparamdam ang pagmamahal at pagpapahalaga sa kanila dahil darating ang panahon, wala na sila. Okay? Tulad ko po, wala na po akong ama. At hindi niya na po nasaksihan kung rewards, may awards. Be happy for him, for her. Okay po? Huwag natin sabihin, ano man yan, favorite kasi sa teacher. Ano man yan, ang ganda niya kasi, ang gwapo niya kasi, pasikat kasi siya. Yung mga ganong salita, common yun. Tama? Yung positibong pagkaingit na ang galing niya, mas maghuhusayan ko pa para matularan ko rin siya. Gawin natin inspirasyon at tagumpay ng iba para mas maging makabuluhan ang buhay natin. Maging masaya tayo sa tagumpay ng iba. Okay po? Maging mapagpasalamat sa Diyos na nagkaloob ng lahat ng biyaya, talento, kahusayan at lakas. Maging mindset sana natin na galing sa Diyos ang lahat. Kaya huwag sana natin isipin na kaya tayo magaling dahil sa sarili natin, kundi siya lang ang may kaloob ng husay at talino. Kaya sa Kanya lang din lahat ng mga pagtatagumpay at kapurihan. Kung nagtatagumpay man tayo, yun ay hindi dahil talagang magaling tayo. Yun ay dahil talagang magaling ang Diyos natin. Pinaghusay niya tayo. Naniniwala po ba kayo doon?
College awards the certificate of appreciation to Lizelle S. Villafranca for imparting her valuable knowledge as a guest speaker during the 19th Senior High School Recognition Rites with the theme Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Given this 30th day of May 2024 at Vineyard Asia Technological College. Signed, Godofredo E. Pitesa Jr., President. Let's give once again a big hand to our resource. Sir, on stage po tayo, on stage yan. Kage Eliza May O with honors. Hello, ayan. Picture po tayo. Next po, still in grade 11 please. For 4th quarter, we have Junmar P. Pante. We also have from grade 11 Peace with honors, Rayanel Nabo. May music po tayo para po nakaka-excite naman po ang gagawin natin. Ano po? Ayan. Siguro, mag-music po tayo. Next po, we have Alexon Orbermas with honors. Ayan po, alam ko po, si Ma'am Alipante ay napaka-proud sa achievements ng kanyang mga anak. We also have, with honors, Jaron Cedric B. Santos. We also have, with honors, Jeremy V. Bornalo. Next, we have Ceresa Joy P. Gianan with high honors. Let's proceed po with grade 12 ABM. Certificate of Academic Excellence is hereby given to grade 12 Joy with honors, Jeneline A. Nares. Ayan, si Jeneline. Together. Next, we have let's proceed with grade 12 Truth. Certificate of Academic Excellence is hereby given to Angela O. Abiledo with honors. Wow. Thank you so much, guys. Let's proceed. Okay, next we have, with honors, Isaac B. Geronimo. Let's give him a round of applause. Hello, sound check. We also have the award for academic excellence to Dorina O. Ricamata with honors. Next up, kalimutan ko ako kung sino si Dorina. Same age lang po sila. Okay. Next we have Lance Jervis C. Herrera with honors. Let's proceed with grade 11 Humanities and Social Sciences with their very own beautiful, gorgeous, extravagant advisor, Miss Wendy O. Espiritu. Certificate of Academic Excellence is hereby given to Arnelyn O. Vega with honors. We have John Ren P. Garrido with honors. Together with his loving mother. proceed to grade 12, Hume's Courage. Certificate of Academic Excellence is hereby given to Rachel May Bokeh with honors. Next, we have Maria Angeline S. Lara with honors. Next, we have from grade 12 Courage, Jenny Ongalea with honors. We also have Bernadette Jane C. Gutierrez with honors. Another certificate of academic excellence is hereby given to Miss Alona Grace Balistoy with honors. Next, we have Winnabelle M. Suarez with honors. Ay, nasa. Para magkakailan lang. Mas matanda lang slide si Ma'am Wen. We also have another certificate of academic excellence given to Ivy Ann T. Lopez with high honors. Wow. Another certificate is hereby given to Joshua S. Soto with high honors. Tita. And last award for Humanities and Social Sciences strand, Krista May B. Murid with high honors. Let's proceed with technical, vocational, livelihood, home economics. Grade 11 Charity may call on stage the advisor, Mr. Mark John A. Francis. We have Miss Hi! Parang kayong anak. Diyan ka na. Another certificate of academic excellence to Zen Lizil P. Mariano with honors. Next, we have Atasha May G. Agricola with high honors. And the last certificate of academic excellence is hereby given to Krisha G. Belen with high honors. exercises with the theme Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Given this 30th day of May 2024 during the Senior High School Recognition Rites at Vineyard Asia Technological College Incorporated, Daet, Camarines North, signed by their own advisor. Let's start with Accountancy, Business, and Management. Certificate of Recognition is hereby given to the advisor, called also, ayan, to give the medal and the certificate to our with honors, starting off with Erickson R. Bermas with honors. And congratulations po to our award. Yan. Next, we also have picture. Congratulations, Erickson. Next, we also have Jeremy B. Bornalo with honors. We also have Certificate of Recognition to picture po. Yan. Okay. With honor. Thank you so much. We also have Jaron Cedric Santos with honors. Congratulations, Jaron. Next, picture po. Congratulations, Jaron. Let's proceed to the next one. Eliza May Owensage with honors. Eliza, I'm sure. Don't laugh. We also have the last awardee for grade 11 ABM, Ceresa Joy Bigyanan with high honor.
Kailangan pa ako doon.
Opo, kasama nga po, Pastor.
Congratulations, CJ. Congratulations, CJ. Ceresa Joy Bigyanan will also be our next editor-in-chief of our publication, The Life. Next, we have Rayanel A. Nabo with honors. Congratulations, Rayanel. Let's give her a big round of applause. Next, we have for the general academic strand, starting off with Ruth T. Pereira with honors. Next, we have John Ren B. Garrido with honors. grade 11 charity, Miss Carla May Aquino with honor. And our president. All the grade 11 awardees. Once again, please give them a very big round of applause. Asa na yung iba? Pwede naman sa baba. Alisog si Ray. Once again, congratulations. Next po, we have the faculty members, the student staff,